Poppy just hit me, said, yo, you got fans. He was a delight. Heard my music playing, I did it before, could do it again. I fly bitches out and I fly out they friends. And she super hype, cause she never bet. Enjoying my life, all I do is win. Whenever I lose, take that to the trip. I don't need approval, I handle my business. If you getting money, look out for your kids. Shit, I'm just hitting it, that ain't my bitch.
Ooh, look at the Subi boys. Yo, is that the STI badge on a Legacy? I told you, you little pussy. I hope you guys see this shit, all right? You got a fake Subaru. I don't want to hear it. It's like, nah, I'm kidding. Love you guys. Shout out to y'all, you know what I'm saying? We got Hunter here, drove me out.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I know. Hella rain in it. On the vlog. Ooh. Alright, really quickly, I just want to show you guys this fucking backfire. Alright, good morning. It is raining again, and I'm about to do the first mod on the WX. Nice interior mods. First mod. Okay. Trade out the rearview mirror, but it's a little different than my car. But yeah, that was the first mod right there. On my gear shifter, basically no play in gear, like it's pretty solid. If we go take a look at my car, see my little tree collection right there. Look at that, that's in first right there. Fourth, you're basically in second, fourth, and reverse all at the same time. Fifth, sloppy, it's very sloppy. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do today. I'm probably not gonna drive the car today, but tomorrow I'm actually gonna pick my friend up from school and just, you know, try and get people's reactions, because the car is straight pipe, you know. A lot of people know about cars at the school, so I'll see you then. Try and set up my phone to get a cold start video. Watch this, finesse.
Bro, what is this?
Bro, it's a new car for my birthday. Alright, what is going on, everyone? It is my birthday, you know, February 23rd. I'm taking the car out to show everyone at school. I'm picking up Jeff and, you know, some of his friends. They're also my friends, but that's besides the point. And see their reactions, because the car is, you know, loud as shit, so. Oh yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you there. Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck? How'd you get it?
Bro, I fucking bought it outright.
Today?
Nah, Wednesday night with fucking that faggot.
Oh my god. Proud of you, son.
Thanks.
That's why I took him off. That's why I took him to PX.
We didn't just go to fucking eat like 2 hours away.
Way to eat an hour and a half away.
Dude, I
see Benny.
Oh, Ben's gonna get so boosted. New, yeah.
It's the new whip. When the fuck did you get this?
I got it Wednesday night with him.
What? I just nutted a little bit.
Wait till you fucking hear it.
Oh, is this for the vlog?
Yeah, I'm making like a vlog about it.
New car vlog?
Yeah.
I did not
Probably not.
expect you to get this so soon.
Yeah. Oh, nah, mine's faster though, so it's cool.
Mine's real. Bro, are these speakers? Sick.
Yo, this guy, he was like, bro, is your car twin turboed? I was like, that's just not it at all.
Bro, those are the exterior speakers.
Oh, look, there he is. Yo, I like, while we were talking, I knew I was getting it the day of.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
No fucking way. Yeah. You're a liar.
Right.
Yeah, one more time, Will.
Oh my god. gotta get in the back.
Yeah. Bro, that's so nutty. I was
Bro,
like, nah,
so
he's probably from his job. Yeah, I was looking at him, and then I was like, where the fuck is he? And I saw his jacket. I was like, what the fuck is all that? That's nutty. I had my window and driving next to you, and I was like, Jesus Christ, my ear fucking hurts.
Oh yeah, wait.
2 hours later.
So what'd you just do?
Spray paint and then pull the trigger.
What you think about it? All this. How loud is it?
A lot louder than yours.
Really? Louder than mine?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright, guys.
Thank you.
No problem. You guys have a good one.
Me too. Louder than mine? What? It's about to blow my ear down. Are you hype?
Yeah, bro. I'm going to drive it. Got out of school, told my mom I was sick. Just
riding out with us.
Yeah. Can I do it? Can I do the Kyle?
Yeah.
Diesel? Ooh, tight pussy.
Yo,
there's nothing in here.
What does Reese have the ugliest hoodie on I've ever seen?
What'd you say, pussy?
I said you got a nice hoodie on.
Alright. I'll see you on the flip side. I didn't get that pump! Fuck! Yo, shout out to Diego, or whatever the fuck his name was, because this sub is banging. Oh, there's flames! Oh, I fucking hope I got that. Oh, you got flames! Really? Yeah!
Yo, did you like see it, or
I saw it.
is it visible on video?
I don't know, this may have blocked it.
That
This spool on it.
I know, bro, don't it? How does it sound like turbo-wise when I'm going past?
Yeah, you can definitely hear it.
Mine to do it?
Let me see.
Yeah, I was about to say Jackson. Alright guys, welcome to the new video. I'd just like to say I'm super hyped about the car, and I hope you guys all have enjoyed. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more now that I have the car. I just have, you know, a bunch of ideas in my head, so I will see you guys in the next video.